Hello everyone, welcome to Leka Treats. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made the shrimps and mushroom noodles stir fry. All ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So for our sauce, I have here light soy sauce, and to it I'll be adding some oyster sauce. As well as dark soy sauce. And then mix everything together and set aside to use later on. We will also be marinating the shrimps with some white pepper and salt. Next, we'll be boiling the noodles according to the instructions on the packaging. For me, it was 5 minutes. After it's done cooking, drain the water and run some cold water over it to prevent it from further cooking. Pour about a tablespoon of oil into your wok, and remember we'll be stir frying over high heat. Pour in your marinated shrimps and stir fry for just a couple of minutes. Set it aside and pour about 3 tablespoons of oil into your wok. Pour in your mushrooms and stir fry for a couple of minutes. Add some salt to taste and set it aside. Next, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and to this, add your sliced onions, garlic, and ginger. Saute it for just a couple of minutes, and add your sliced carrots. Next, we'll be adding broccoli, and please do not overcook your vegetables. Next, we'll add sliced red bell pepper. And some white pepper. This gives the stir fry a bit of heat. Next, add the shrimps and mushrooms. And then add the boiled noodles. Add the sauce and mix everything well. And finally, our shrimps and mushroom stir fry is done, ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel for more recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.